Pagkatapos hanggang biyasin ang bagyo. Tapos nag-iwas ako dinhin akong balay, kinadto ako didto. Didto ako pagkuan ng bagyo. Katapos niya kakuanan, siguro mga alas 5 pala, nga amo na hiya nakita ang patay na hiya. Ay, ma-afraid of the water. Dinhi waray ko mantuna. I have no land.
Me, I am only a fisherman for a typhoon, but my boss is lost. My doing is I want to waiting for another relief scheme from the NGOs, but now I will also studying in a college for the carpenter, and that is the big opportunity for me, and I will do my best.